Welcome to another incredible journey into the world of modern food production. Today, we're taking you inside some of the most amazing food factories where advanced machines work with incredible speed, precision, and efficiency to produce the foods millions of people enjoy every day. From washing fresh fruits and vegetables to mixing ingredients, baking, slicing, packaging, and quality inspection, these powerful machines transform raw materials into delicious, high-quality products with remarkable accuracy. Every step is carefully designed to ensure food safety, consistency, and maximum productivity. You'll see fully automated production lines creating everything from juices, bread, chocolate, biscuits, noodles, dairy products, frozen foods, snacks, and many other everyday favorites. Watch as robotic systems, intelligent conveyors, and high-speed packaging machines work together seamlessly to keep production running around the clock. These cutting-edge technologies not only increase efficiency but also reduce waste, improve hygiene, and deliver consistent quality on a massive scale. It's a fascinating combination of engineering, innovation, and precision that keeps the global food industry moving. Whether you're a fan of industrial technology, factory automation, or simply curious about how your favorite foods are made, this video is packed with satisfying machines and impressive manufacturing processes that you won't want to miss. Sit back, relax, and enjoy this amazing collection of food factory machines in action. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more incredible factory technology and manufacturing videos from around the world.